Finally, you get to see one of my favorite areas of Knoxville. Today, we're going to see, finally, downtown Knoxville. This is the Market Square walking tour, and we're getting started right now. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to All Things Knoxville with me, Ben Barredo, your local real estate pro and relocation expert for East Tennessee. As always, I make videos like this every single week, so if you like this video and if you want more of it, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, I don't just make videos, I also sell real estate. So if you're thinking of buying or selling, if you're thinking of relocating to Knoxville, please give me a call. I'd love to help you out. Now with that, let's jump into this walking tour video. So before we jump into the video, I want to warn you, or really trying to catch you up. I'm not actually the one that shot this video because I've been dealing with an issue with my foot that's been pretty much keeping me from walking or driving or anything like that. So I asked my wife to shoot this video, but I forgot to instruct her that YouTube is widescreen. And so she shot most of the video in portrait. So again, most of the video is going to be portrait and then it'll switch to widescreen. But hey, I'm just happy that she was able to do this for me and for you. So forewarning there. One good thing about the portrait mode is it's allowing me to play with the video a little bit differently than other tours, the other neighborhood tours that I've done in the past. So with that said, let's jump into the tour. So starting off, you can see we're walking down the famous and one of the oldest streets in Knoxville, Gay Street. And as you can see, this is Knoxville's downtown area. This is our skyscraper area. You have businesses, shops, and lofts, apartments down here. It's always bustling with people. Gay Street has a lot of things to do, from the movie theater, the beauty salon, school, and all the shops in between. Most of the events we have in Knoxville are going to happen right along this street. One of my favorite parts of walking around Knoxville is the gorgeous street art that's commissioned by Knoxville to local artists, and they rotate every few months or so. This makes the stroll through Knoxville so much more enjoyable. And as you can see, one piece of art that always remains is Dolly's face. Now we're walking into Market Square, where this has been a gathering space for the community since Knoxville was founded. You'll find outdoor events like concerts, ice skating, which is being set up now, and it's got a locally owned plus a few chain restaurants and shops on both sides of the square. As you can see, this is a great space to just sit and enjoy the entertainment of the day or just to people watch. Right across from Market Square, you have Crutch Park, which is a walking park with commissioned sculptures on display, as well as great landscaping and water design that makes it a very peaceful an enjoyable place to sit and chill. All around Market Square, you'll find even more shops and restaurants and cafes and parking garages and retail spaces just waiting for businesses to lease them out. Call me. From here, I'm just going to shut up and let you enjoy the rest of the tour as my wife rotated the camera and finally put it in the right point of view where I can fill up the screen. But before we do that, make sure to check out this video where I tell you about the 5 best golf courses in East Tennessee. Just click right here. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to ask. And if I don't answer the phone, leave a message. You know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to you. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.